And good for those people whose wife is not cooking. अबे क्या मुंह के अंदर डालेगा कैमरा मुंह के अंदर क्या थोड़ा पीछे रख.
Hello friends, oh what's up? Today's video we're gonna be cooking. I really need to get myself one of those aprons that says hello friends.
Hello friends.
We're cooking. Today we're gonna be cooking actually a vegetarian meal which is sent by HelloFresh. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh, so thank you so much.
Woo, HelloFresh!
Let's get into it. So this is how the HelloFresh meals come. Comes with 3 different types. We have a tofu noodle mix, then we have a bowl. It's a herby bowl. And then we also have a Mexican bean bowl, which is the one that I think I'm gonna be making for you guys today. I'm gonna open this up and everything actually comes in here. You know what I mean?
So everything you need to cook comes right in here?
Everything you need, you're about to be shocked.
What?
Shocked. I don't know about you guys, but we make at least 3 grocery trips to the store every week because sometimes you forget something. So this way, or like if you think of a new meal to make, you're like, oh my god, I gotta go to the grocery store. So now, this way they send you all the ingredients you need, so you don't need to make those grocery trips.
So what we got? What we got?
Alright, so we got cilantro. I love cilantro.
Yum.
We don't like parsley, we like cilantro.
I don't like the other one too.
And then it
coriander.
comes, the what?
Coriander? Whack.
Coriander. Jasmine rice, look how cute. Like it gives you pre-portioned stuff. It's so crazy. So we got some jasmine rice. We got an avocado, and this one looks like it's ripe. That's a ripe one. Then we got 2 red bell peppers.
This is like a whole kit,
yeah. It comes with more stuff. Okay,
that's
so
crazy.
It literally comes with every single ingredient you need. So then we got 4 tomatoes. I'm putting all these, and they're still so fresh, you guys. I got this meal not even yesterday, the day before it was sent, and the stuff is still fresh. Then we got another avocado.
I gotta sneeze.
Okay. We got 2 limes, 2 of the black beans. Oh my god, they literally cut the onions for you too.
That's so nice.
So now I don't gotta cut the onions? Wow, it's crazy. Okay, and then we got sour cream. Oh, these are vegetable bouillon, like they're the chicken like broth concentrate, but this is vegetarian. We got the Mexican seasoning. We got 2 packets of these. And then we got the garlic cloves.
Yay!
So literally every single thing you need is in this little pouch.
Everything but the pot and pan.
Everything with the pot and pan, which I'm sure everybody has. So this comes with, this is how we're gonna make our meals. And they're really straightforward. So let me show you guys. This is how we're gonna make our Mexican bowl.
Oh, that's easy as hell.
Right?
It's just
And
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And the pictures with the instructions, this isn't like IKEA. IKEA just gives you stick people and like barely recognizable things.
Facts,
so
yeah.
2.5 cups of water to a boil in a medium pot, and then we gotta cut all of these things.
Cheddar, do you like Mexican bowls? Huh, Cheddar? I think Cheddar's excited to eat. I think Cheddar's excited to eat. See your skills, man.
Yo, mom has taught me. Have you guys seen my mom cook?
Wait, you're not gonna take out the green part?
Obviously, but it's so easy if you just kind of like rip it out like this. Ooh, do you smell that? Smells delicious.
When you smell it, you want to say hello fresh.
Yo, that's actually so true. It smells really good. I'm just shocked because it comes in a box, you know what I mean? And if they're fresh ingredients, like you don't expect it to stay fresh.
Yeah, that's true. But it was all those ice packs that they had in the bottom.
Yeah,
like it was legit. So why don't we show them the ice packs?
Oh, yeah,
we keep talking about them.
Look, let me show you. They came, oh, these are frozen solid. They came in with 4 of these big.
All on the bottom, so everything stayed cold.
Everything.
And as you can see, the onions, they were just in the fridge and they're still cold. Like, there's no way your food's going bad. You could probably leave this in the box for a day or 2.
Yeah.
And nothing would happen.
Exactly.
Like us.
Like us. We are the true people to test this kind of stuff out because we like
Facts.
procrastination.
Procrastination.
It says to cut your bell peppers up into 1/2-inch pieces. So I'm gonna do that right now. I was just talking to Zaid earlier about this and I was like, yo, they literally have over 20 plus, like all their meals are chef curated. Each week they have 20 plus like meals that you can choose from. So if you're like us, where whenever we're like, not even if we're like dieting, but honestly, if you're just eating food in general, sometimes you're like, oh, what am I gonna make today? at least with this option, you literally have so many options to choose from.
You won't get bored.
There's no chance of you getting bored.
That's our problem. We get bored of what we eat.
Yeah.
And like we don't like putting in thoughts into new meals.
And then buying ingredients for a new meal is so annoying because it's like you have to buy every little thing. At least this comes with everything and it's kind of like foolproof. I don't like thinking about having to cook.
Facts.
I never figured out how to really cut tomatoes. Is there like a special way to cut
Nah,
tomatoes?
the thing that you need for tomatoes, you need a sharp knife.
I'm just surprised at literally that these
food has
vegetables
survived?
didn't. Yeah, no, like honestly, I'm so shocked.
What is that? Like, what are you doing right now?
What? It's all gonna go into like a pot.
Okay, but like, go again. Like, show them your technique. That's not it, bro.
Why?
These are tomatoes.
So?
You're just squishing them.
I'm not squishing them. Look at them. Are they squished? These are a lot of tomatoes I gotta cut. Cutting them better now. Nope.
What
Our
was
knife-
that?
Our knife is not sharp enough, man.
But you're not swaying the knife enough.
Like going back and forth?
Yeah.
Like this?
No, sway that.
Like that? Like that?
Yes.
Frick, man.
Our knife is dull though. I'm not
Our
gonna hold
knife
you.
is really dull.
It's
Come
definitely dull. Yo, literally, Lava just sharpened
I
the knife.
just
and
sharpened
look
the
at that.
knife, you guys.
Look at the scales.
If you ever think that, you know those that sharpening tool that comes with your knife kit? If you ever think that doesn't work, like me, I never thought.
Prove it right now with the other tomato.
Yo, okay, watch
Prove
this.
it right now.
Wacha.
Wacha.
Wacha. Wacha.
That's sharp, eh? That's
Right?
crazy. Yeah, that was pretty
It
good.
literally worked in like
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Perdidos, sé lo que siento, pero tú no. Nos entendemos haciendo el amor. No hay nada más que eso, estamos perdidos, perdidos.
You
Ooh.
wanna eat it?
No face?
It's not like lemon, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it's lime.
Yeah, it's
You
actually,
idiot.
no, I'm saying like the taste, like lemon I would cringe. You want? Just take a lick. Like it's not.
Citrusy. It's like an orange.
So this, you can pick like how many people you want it for. And this one that I'm making is for 4 people. So I'm like cooking the whole thing for the family, you know? And then also you guys, while I'm cutting this, I guess I forgot to mention, I'm boiling my 2.5 cups of water on this, in this pot for the rice. So I'm just following the instructions literally on the paper. Yo, you guys, this process has get me all my aggression out. Yeah. You wanna try it? Very
Yes.
satisfying.
I feel like you gotta press hard.
You do.
Oh, it's pretty easy.
Right?
That feels good though. It's satisfying. I love garlic.
Like in flavor or in general?
In general. Just garlic.
Just-
I'm the opposite of a vampire.
Why do vampires even hate garlic?
I don't know.
They go from like, I want to suck your blood to, ah, I'm melting.
What?
So now we're gonna add our rice to our boiling water. So it says to add your rice into the, into the water.
Everything's portioned so nicely.
I love it. Makes life so much easier.
I know.
We're gonna cover it and then we're gonna let the rice cook for 12 to 14 minutes until the water is absorbed. Pretty easy if you guys have made rice before. I haven't, so I wouldn't know.
Yo no sé, yeah. Si fue algo más que el placer. Si me amaste alguna vez, yeah. O si fuiste mi mujer. Por lo que yo he visto y lo que te gusta. Amor de tu vida yo no voy a hacer. Dame una noche, te voy a demostrar que soy el pecado que amas cometer.
You guys, this smells so good. We didn't even put seasoning in
It literally
Zara's
smells
mouth is
amazing.
literally watering right now. Alright, so now that this has been cooked for 2 and 3 minutes, so now we're putting in our garlic and then we're also putting in our 2 seasoning packets. I'm gonna put them and cut them simultaneously.
Yum.
They didn't chance us on the seasoning. And it says to keep mixing.
Oh my god, the smell.
Yo, the
Lava,
smell
this is
right
it.
now. Oh
Hello
my
Fresh.
God. Oh my god, I just know this is gonna be so good.
Oh my god, this list gets better and better. The colors, bro.
Okay, now we gotta put our avocado into our bowl and we're gonna crush it with a fork. Oh god, my tomatoes and avocados are all mixed. 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 1, 2. Crush this because we're making a guacamole. This is our guacamole. Is that good?
No, you gotta crush it more, man.
How are we gonna crush it?
Well, you're supposed to like crush the avocados.
Like we got a chunky.
Yum.
This avocado sauce is thick. Well, I missed.
Where did it all go?
Oh my god, I'm a chef.
Look at that, that's beautiful.
So I'm actually leaving for Hawaii next week. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know this. So a good thing with the HelloFresh meals is that like if you travel a lot, or if you, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I don't know, I just want to laugh.
Okay, so as I was saying, the good thing is about the HelloFresh meals is that if your schedule changes and you need to stop for a week, he just keeps laughing. If you need to cut it off for a week or like skip a week of delivery, you can do that. You can also like add and change your like diet routine as needed. Like I'm getting the vegetarian one right now, or like if I wanted to switch it out for something else, you can do that. So you're not really restricted to having exactly what you picked in the beginning, and like you'll go as the weeks go by, you'll see what kind of foods you like, what kind of foods you don't like, and your diet like is changing. And he's still laughing in the background.
I can't. Your face is funny.
Why is it funny?
I don't know.
Look, at show them this. It's delicious. So now it's the fun part. So we're gonna put this together, and as I told you guys, this is serving of 4. So what I'm going to do is, this is the meal that I'm gonna eat right now, and then I have 3 of like packaged little containers in case nobody else in the family wants to eat it, or you guys want to eat it later. I'm gonna pre-prep it, and then this way you know for a fact how many calories and stuff are in each thing. And I'm gonna be extra.
So you can use a cup.
I'm gonna actually make sure we.
Do you know how many cups of rice you have?
No, but
No.
I'm just gonna go half.
So
half.
2 cups, 2 cups?
Should I go?
Oh, you just do one all around.
Yeah, one
until you run out.
That's what I was thinking. I mean, this is obviously not like the full precise, but it's pretty precise.
It's good enough.
Right? Oh my god. This is really good. It smells so good. I can't even like, I can't describe. My mouth is watering and it will not stop watering.
This is so easy too. Like
A dollop of guacamole, depending on how much you like. I think that much is good.
that is good.
I don't know. I love sour cream, but like I don't know how much sour cream.
Sour cream is not good for the health. It's good for the heart. Honestly, I can't wait till you bite it.
I'm so excited. Should I mix it all together?
It's how you want to eat it. Are you gonna mix it or are you gonna die?
I think
you should mix it. I think you should mix it.
Right?
I think it'll be delicious if you mix it. Oh
Okay,
my god.
You guys, Chipotle who?
Yeah, Chipotle who?
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. No. No.
The anticipation.
Good shit.
It's
my
good?
god. You wanna try it?
Yeah,
it's different. Decently spicy.
That is bomb.
Oh my god, that's so
That's spice and everything.
good. Yes, I need it. Okay, guys, Dad's gonna try. Dad likes everything though, so.
अबे क्या मुंह के अंदर डालेगा कैमरा मुंह के अंदर क्या थोड़ा पीछे रख.
There's no chicken or anything in it. Good?
Really good.
Really good?
Try it. Right here, Mama. We ate the other one. UZAIR ate the whole thing.
Oh, it's a healthy version?
It's healthy.
It's very good.
And they brought all the, like when you see the video, you haven't even seen it. All the ingredients are in one bag. Literally, even like garlic cloves were in the bag. Rice.
Garlic cloves too?
Yeah, everything is in there. Isn't that cool?
Oh my god. They're so smart.
Because then even like up to little bit of like just 2 garlic cloves, anything you need is all in there. Soy sauce, whatever.
That's very smart for working people.
Yeah.
Especially families, you know, parents work. You don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Like we used to do, okay, we have to get dhania, we have to get like spices
Yeah.
and stuff. Everything in there ready to go. Wow.
And it's vegetarian.
And good for those people whose wife is not cooking. Whose wife is not cooking well, right? So this is good Mexican food for them.
No, wrong time to take a bite, hold on. And also you guys, HelloFresh is now $5.66 per meal, and you can get started with 8 meals free, so that's $80 off of your first month at HelloFresh. All you need to do is go to hellofresh.com and you can use my promo code BODMON80. It's going to be listed all here in the screen, also in the description box, so make sure you guys check it out because If you follow my vlog channel, you're about to see me make these meals all the time. Oh yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe here, my vlog channel, and my entire family here on YouTube, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!